Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your Google account recovery email. Start by opening any browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the Google account you want to update. Now tap your profile icon and choose Manage your Google account. On the top menu, swipe left or right until you see Security. Tap it. This page lets you manage all your Google account protection settings. Scroll down until you reach the section called How You Sign into Google or Ways We Can Verify It's You. Here, tap Recovery Email. Google may ask you to confirm your password for security. Enter it and continue. You'll now see your current recovery email. Tap the trash icon or remove to delete it. This removes the old backup email from your account. Next, tap Add Recovery Email. Enter the new email address you want to use. Google will send a verification code to that email. Open your inbox, find the code, and type it into the verification box. Once you confirm the code, your new recovery email is officially saved. And that's it. Your Google recovery email has been successfully changed, and your account is now more secure.